Welcome to the channel. I am Amrit's assistant. And we bring you the best tips and tricks for a healthy lifestyle. Today try the miracle drink that will help. This is a way to lose weight without resorting to extreme diets or fasting. A natural drink is what you need. Stay tuned as we show you how to make this powerful juice with just 4 simple ingredients. In secret, I will share with you a fantastic juice recipe that will help you get rid of extra pounds. Ready in less than 5 minutes. So, let's proceed directly to the cooking process. Take a medium-sized fresh cucumber, cut off both ends and remove the skin. Set aside in a clean bowl. Cucumbers are not only low in calories, but also rich in valuable nutrients such as magnesium, copper, and potassium. Now take a lemon. For cleaning, I recommend trim the ends of the lemon and make a few cuts along the peel. Next, manually remove the peel and cut the lemon into large rings. Remove all seeds and cut rings into small cubes. Lemons are known for their many health benefits, including helping with weight loss and detoxifying the body. Take ginger and a bunch of parsley. Chop a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger into small cubes. Ginger is a natural fat burner that improves digestion and promotes healthy weight loss. Rinse a bunch of parsley leaves under running water and separate them from the stems. Parsley is a powerful natural diuretic that helps remove excess water from the body. So, now that all our ingredients are ready, let's mix them together. Immerse in blender and add peeled cucumber, diced lemon, diced ginger, and parsley leaves. Start by pouring in half the required amount of water, which is 350 milliliters, and mix until smooth. Then add the remaining water and mix well again. If you like, strain the juice through a sieve for a smoother texture. And your magic slimming juice is ready. Pour into a glass and garnish with a lemon wedge and parsley sprig. The taste is just fantastic. For best results, drink a glass of this juice every night before bed. We wish you health. Do not forget to indicate in the comments which city and country you are following us from. I hope. Welcome to the channel.